Okay, so today, we are looking at the qualified, we call it the qualified business income deduction. Qualified business income deduction. Um, this is a benefit that pass-through entities have been enjoying for some time now. I always say pass-through entities like our sole proprietors or partnerships or S corporations, etc. As a quick context, we call them pass-through. Huh? Why? Because although the business is the one that generates the profit or loss, usually it is not taxed on the business side, but it passes, the profit or the loss passes through to the owner, and it is taxed on the owner's personal tax returns. That's why we call it a pass-through arrangement. Okay, so when it comes to the qualified business income deduction, these individuals, sole proprietors, partnerships, S corporation owners, when they pass this income or this profit, whatever, to their personal tax returns, they are allowed to have what is known as a business income deduction of 20%. And there are some other, again, always there are conditions. So it's called a qualified business income deduction, okay, 20%. Now, why is this so important to mention at this point? Bottom line is that this provision was scheduled to end in 2025, meaning that after 2025 we would no longer be able to claim this deduction, this benefit, this tax benefit. But things have changed. It will no longer expire or sunset, as we call it sometime, in 2025, but it will go beyond. But much better than that, it is now permanent. So there's no down the road it will expire or sunset. It is now permanent. Our pass-through entities will definitely have their 20% qualified business income deductions to do. And that has been a big thing for our pass-through entities. Now, as you can appreciate, that over the past couple of years, pass-through entities were benefiting from this 20% deduction. And so if you look at your profile, your financial profile over the past several years, you would have seen a profile consistently impacted positively by the QBI, by the qualified business income deduction. If this provision had expired or sunsetted in 2025, it means that going forward, that deduction will no longer be available. So you can imagine the significant shift in the financial picture of these small entities. So coming maybe from a very profitable, sustainable position for the past couple of years because of or contributed to by this deduction, suddenly not to have this deduction could have totally reversed their fortunes and cause them to be seen as less than, of course, profitable, less than sustainable as they were seen in the past year. So with the QBI being made permanent, then it means therefore that hippie hooray for pass-through entities, we are all celebrating that this continues to be the case. All right, so there's really not much that you need to be doing, because once you do your numbers and you do your tax return and it flows over onto your personal, then there are some qualifying criteria, and once you meet those criteria based on the tax computation, it will determine for you whether you qualify for the 20% and what that 20% computation amounts to. And if you look carefully at your tax returns, you will see a line that indicates qualified business income deduction, and you're good to go. So that's about it for the qualified business income. Just so you know that you still have that one to benefit from, not only in 2025, 26, 27, but way down the road, because it has now been made permanent for you to benefit from. So that's it for now. A rerun can be seen on my YouTube channel, Etienne's Place. So do not hesitate. And if you think you want to get more information on it, you can consult with us, consult with your professional, and be informed. That's it for qualified business income deduction.